This is what the contract looks like. 50% at the R8 Amber Fade, 10% at the world's #1 knight. In theory, we could also sell that. We could keep it and try and make a #1 D-Law once again, but that didn't go too well last time. The item we really need, AK-47 hydroponic, lowest float in the entire world. Are you ready, Jolly? You want to come click it for me? You're gonna come click it for me? You don't know how much money I put into this thing. It's a 50-50. It's a 50-50. It's a 50-50.
No.
You gotta click it. I've
sure?
collected this for a long time. Yeah, you do the honors. You do the honors. You do the honors. Give it a little countdown. In 3. In 2. In 1. No, go, 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 go. Well, I guess we go back to the drawing board now. That's so upsetting, man.